after deadline ng filing, tumawag sa akin si Senator Amy Marcos. Sabi niya sa akin, pwede ka ba tumakbong Vice President? Sabi ko sa kanya, alam mo, hindi ko pa narinig ever na sinabi sa akin na tumakbo akong Vice President. Sabi ko, bakit mo ako nire-request ngayon na tumakbong Vice President? And I'm happy that she was honest enough to say, kasi matatalo kami ni Lenny kung hindi mo dalahin ang Bisaya. It was very straightforward. Now, it was all about winning, sinabi niya sa akin. So sabi ko sa kanya, Bisaya naman day ang ato ang giistoryahan dinhi. Tawagan ninyo si Bato de la Rosa. Ask him to slide down to VP. Tumatakbo siyang president. And then ang answer niya was, nah. And then I told her, well, ask PRD to run as your vice president. And then she said, well, that's a closed book already kasi tumatakbo si BG. So, ask BG to run as your vice president. Mga Bisaya na tanan. And then she said na, I don't think kayanin na manalo kami kay Lenny. And then I said, ask Manny Pacquiao to slide down. He's already running for president. And she said, we already did. And Manny Pacquiao told us that God asked me to run for president. So how can you argue with God? Totoo yan. I don't think she will deny that. Very straightforward naman si Senator Amy Marcos eh. Mainit na siya ngayon. So, I said, sabi ko, it's never been talked about. I need to talk to my family and I need to see kung mananalo ba ako for Vice President. Because I've never seen my numbers as Vice President. And then she said, okay, let's talk about it. And then, early November, nandun ako sa Cebu. Pumunta ko Cebu, nakita niyo yun, di ba? For an event. And nandoon din sila. Hindi ko alam kung bakit sila. When I say sila, si BBM tsaka si Senator Amy. And nag-request sila ng pag-uusap din. So sabi ko, okay, mag-usap tayo. Nagkita kami sa bahay ni Martin Romualdez. Kasi gusto umeksena ni Martin Romualdez o gawa siya ng party-party ko noon na birthday. And then pag-upo ko doon sa, I think you see the pictures. Umupo ako sa couch, tabi ko si BBM. Sinabihan ko siya, huwag ka maniwala sa kanila. Huwag ka maniwala sa mga taong nagsasabi sa iyo na tatakbo akong president. Hindi ako tatakbong president, sinabi ko na yan. So sabi niya, yes, I know. Sinabi mo na rin yan noong pumunta kami during birthday ko. May 29 ata sila pumunta sa Davao. So okay na yun. And then we had another meeting na wala na si Martin Romualdez. Kasi, hindi naman talaga siya kasali. Sinisiksik lang niya yung sarili niya. Totoo yan.